Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Janice. Here you can see the water is boiling. Now we can add pasta into it. But first, add some olive oil. A little bit of salt. And then we can add the spaghetti pasta. So now the pasta I already removed from the water. It's al dente now. Just add some olive oil. And then mix it. Hello everyone, so now we are going to make a white sauce spaghetti pasta. So first we'll make white sauce. So some flour. So since the roux is ready, now we can add the milk slowly. Make sure the milk is warm. Some salt. So make sure the flour will be cooked, and then it's done. Now to have more flavor, we'll grate some nutmeg. You can add some bay leaf, and then it's ready. So just leave it on the side. And now we can cook the pasta. I'm gonna use olive oil. And then I'll put some mushroom, broccoli, garlic, onion, and some herbs. So first, let's put the mushroom. So when the mushroom will be cooked, we can add the onion and garlic. broccoli is already 75 grams. Now it's time to add the lunch pasta. Wow, look at that. It's creamy, yummy, yummy. And now since we add the pasta, we can add some grated Parmesan cheese. Alright, the pasta is ready. And then finish it up with butter. So I guess it's done. Wow.